Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can find a comment on YouTube. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. Now it's also called comment history on YouTube, but this feature is only available in the PC browser version of YouTube. If you're using it on an Android, Apple, or like in the app version of it, it's not going to work. So once you open YouTube on your PC, what you want to do is click on the history section at the right. Now if you don't see anything over here, then basically you need to click on this button first at the top left, alright? Once you click on this, everything on the side will appear. Then you just click on history. Once you click on history, you can see this option called comment. Click on comments and every single comment you did on YouTube is going to be displayed just like this. So this is basically my comment history on YouTube, as you guys can see. So I hope you understand how you guys can see your comment history on YouTube. And you can also click on one of the video over here. It'll straight up take you to the video in which you commented. And you can watch the video or you can either remove the comment as well. So whatever you want to do, you can do it. If I click on this and click on delete, the comment will be deleted. So that's also the option if you want to do it. So that's it for today's video. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.